Hey there, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. You can call me Ray. Anyways, today I want to tell you about, I've had some people, I've asked people to subscribe and comment, and I have somebody who is subscribes and comments on just about every video, me, and she says, hey, why don't you make something girly? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not going to make like a girly cocktail like a, like Sex in the City or anything like that. I'm going to show you a diet vodka. It's not really like a diet vodka, but it's got less calories, okay? This is the Ketel One Botanicals. Now they have 3 different flavors. This one, the cucumber and mint, they also make peach and orange blossom, and they make a grapefruit and rosé. This is the most popular, and that's what I'm going to use today. Now this is brought to you by the Noet family from the Netherlands. Now this is distilled with 100% non-GMO grain. It's no sugar, no artificial additives. That should make a lot of you happy. It's also a little bit less A.B.V, alcohol by volume. So whereas regular vodka is 40%, this is 30% A.B.V. It's also less calories. This is only 73 calories, whereas your regular vodka is like 96. So that should make a lot of you happy. So now you can mix this with, they recommend you mix this with a little bit of club soda and put whatever garnish you want in there. You can mix it with white, or mix it with regular lemonade, pink lemonade, or even grapefruit juice. But I'm going to try this, or ginger beer. I'm going to try this with a little bit of ginger ale because I found the fizziness works kind of good. So what do you say we get to it? You stick with me. I'll see you in a bit. Hey, welcome back to It's All About the Cocktail. Back behind the bar again. I want to show you Ketel One Botanicals Cucumber and Mint, brought to you by your friends from Holland, our old Scandinavian friends. Like I said, it's a low calorie, excellent alternative to white wine, 40% less calories than white wine. Okay, very easy to make. I mean, I asked people to comment on my videos. Dan said, hey man, make something simple. So, and me says, make a girly drink. Well, this is, not supposed to be a girly drink, but it's a great alternative that women are going to like because it's something simple and it's not a lot of calories, okay? So, the first thing you want to do is take your Ketel One Botanicals Cucumber Mint, 2 ounces. Okay. Now I put a little ice in my glass to get the glass cold, okay? You can dump that out and you can put some fresh ice in there. Let's get rid of that stuff, some fresh stuff in there. Okay. Add your Ketel One. Okay, now I happen to have half a lime, which I'm going to put in there too. And then I like to drop in the husker. Okay. Now also what we're going to do is we're going to put some cucumber slices along the edges. Now we're going to add ourselves a little bit of ginger ale. I found the Seagram's makes a nice, spicy kind of great thing to it. We're going to top that off with some ginger ale. Give that a stir. Put a couple straws in there, give that a stir. Now first let's put a little mint in there. Let's give it a slap. Give it a slap to wake it up. Put it right on top there. That looks pretty good. Let's check it out. Oh, you know what? Let's first of all, let's put a little cucumber with a slice cut in there. Put that right on the edge there. Now we're talking. Oh, that is excellent and really refreshing. I think that's going to be a big hit in the summer. I think, you know, if you're searching for something to drink, you want something that fills you up. This is perfect. So, like I said, I really wish you would subscribe so that you are notified when I put out new content. But I really want you to send me back a comment. Let me know how you like the Ketel One Botanicals. Let me know if you like a low-calorie vodka. Let you drink something on a hot day. Let me know how I'm doing. Because I want you to remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. See you later. Ooh.